laughing? But it doesn't look like I'm laughing. Today I am trying the Face Up Let's Get Started mask. It claims to transform skin in 10 to 15 minutes by tightening, lifting, and deeply hydrating dull textured skin. It's apparently a dupe for the super viral Hanacure mask. I've never tried a mask like this and I'm a little scared about not being able to move my face, but I'm hoping that it will brighten up some of the areas where I've broken out recently, as well as some of my dry skin patches. I feel like a lot of the masks I'm trying lately are little science experiments, which is nerve-wracking because I feel like I could mess it up very easily. And these are little glass bottles, which makes it even scarier. So, yikes. Using enclosed tool, place over top of a phase ampule and slightly bend to open. I'm sorry, we haven't even gotten to the mask part, and I'm struggling. Okay. Ooh. Glug, glug, glug. Now we get to paint. Ooh, it feels so nice. Go a little bit on the neck because we're supposed to get tight here. Get me a nice jawline that could cut glass. I feel like I've gone over everywhere. Oh, it's starting to itch a little bit. I'm just gonna throw away the rest. And now we wait. Hey Siri, can you set a timer for 15 minutes? My girl Siri told me it's been 15 minutes, which I feel like makes sense because I can't move my face at all. I can't really turn my head. Smiling. Hey. Yeah, this is definitely is looking very dry down here, but I still don't feel like it's like fully dry around here because there's still a lot of shininess on my cheeks. So I'm gonna let it keep drying for a bit longer. I just don't even know what to say because I just can't even move. I just got Starbucks delivered and I think I scared the crap out of the delivery man. You know in movies when people get like Botox and then all the liquid falls out of their mouth? That's what I feel like. Look what I just discovered, ready? I feel like a caterpillar coming out of a cocoon. Like I feel like I literally could crack it. It itches. I think it's time to take it off. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. I think the main difference that I'm seeing right now is that I feel that my acne scars look a little bit less acne scar-y. I honestly don't think it was supposed to do that, but maybe it's just because my face looks brighter overall. So I am interested to see what an expert has to say.
In looking at the before and after photos, it looks like there was one area before where you might have had a little bit of irritation from a breakout, and that looks to be slightly improved, possibly because the dead skin was sloughed off by the mask, which this can be one of the benefits of masking. But afterward, it also appears that the skin is very dry, and that may be what is giving rise to a feeling of skin tightening. But again, it doesn't appear that in the before and after pictures, there's any real big impact of a difference in the skin. So that feeling of tightness might have just been a temporary feeling of the mask without a longer lasting impact. And in looking at these before and after pictures, we don't see a real difference in terms of the jawline. If a person really wants to do skin tightening, they would probably need to have a skin tightening procedure done in the office of a board-certified dermatologist. In looking at the claims of the masks and then looking at the before and after pictures, It's possible that they live up to one of the claims, which is improving skin texture to some degree. However, in terms of skin tightening, we don't see any real effect.